Thanks. The guy you see here has 200 million followers and he doesn't speak. But guess what? For the first time ever, he's going to speak in this video and I'm going to tell you his incredible story.
Khaby Lami.
This is the most successful creator.
Second most followed of all time.
This is Khaby Lami, the fastest growing creator in the world. But did you know that just 2 years ago, Khaby was doing this? Yes, he was a waiter and a factory worker, making a total of $1,000 per month. See, 20 years ago, his family immigrated from Senegal to Italy looking for a better life. But life was hard. He didn't have money. He was dyslexic. He was rejected from middle school, high school, and college. And when COVID came, he didn't even have a job because he got fired from both of them. And this is where it gets interesting. With no money or job, Khaby just wanted to make people laugh. And you didn't hear that from me. You heard it from him directly. 3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Khaby. I love you and I love you to make people smile.
So he got on social media and started making videos, and that changed his life forever. His videos were short and sweet. He made fun of complicated life tasks and simplified them. What is different about your videos?
My video is simple and easy.
That's it?
Yeah, it's a magic.
In the beginning, only 2 people watched him, his father and his neighbor. That's it.
In 1 month, I got 9 views and 2 subscribers.
2 subscribers?
Yes, sir.
But he didn't care. He continued to make videos. He did not talk, so everyone understood. He was funny, so everyone laughed. And he was simple, so everyone shared. Little by little, he got more followers from every country in the world. His manager said to Khaby that he's going to be an international star, even though he had 1,000 followers. So how did you find Khaby?
No, he found me. He was looking for a manager and he sent me a message on Instagram. I started to check his profile. I love it. And we started to collaborate together.
And they were right. In less than 2 years, Khaby exploded. He went from 0 to 200 million followers. And for the first time in his life, he started making money.
Quindi mi sento meglio. Ho aiutato la mia famiglia, ho aiutato alcuni dei miei amici delle case popolari e ora mi sento meglio.
This 22-year-old Muslim, Italian, Senegalese immigrant factory worker became the face of Hugo Boss. This is unheard of. He makes billions of people laugh. He is invited to film festivals. He meets incredible people and lives the best life ever.
Tu devi continuare quello che vuoi fare senza che le altre persone influenzino il tuo sogno, perché la gente quando non riesce a fare una cosa ti dice io non so farlo, però se tu vuoi ambire a quello ti dicono no, lascia perdere perché è impossibile, però quelli sono i limiti di quella persona lì, non sono i tuoi, quindi tu devi continuare a fare quello che vuoi fare e arrivare.
This story is not about Khaby, it's about you. You can make it big on the internet, even if you never went to school, even if you have no money. The next big thing, the next Angelina Jolie, the next Mr. Bean will not come from Hollywood. They will come from Senegal, Italy, India, Philippines, Mexico, and Egypt. How do you feel now?
I'm a very lucky man.
People that look like him, people that look like me, and people that look like you can finally make it in this world. Thanks, man.
Thank you too. And thank you all.
Hey guys, thank you for watching our videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. Being a creator in 2022 is the best thing ever, but it's a lonely job. That's why we are starting a community for creators where you can befriend each other, meet each other, and learn from each other. If this is of interest to you, check out nasacademy.com/create. Just fill out the form. It's by application only. And if you're accepted, I will see you there, and let's continue creating.